Welcome to the Scratch Looks Blocks tutorial. In this video, we'll explore how to use Looks blocks to control the appearance of sprites in your Scratch projects. Scratch Looks blocks are a set of tools within the Scratch programming language that allow you to control the appearance of sprites, characters, on the stage. They offer a variety of options to change the size, color, transparency, and even the costumes, different appearances, of your sprites. Let's start by exploring the basic Looks blocks. Basic Looks blocks. Set size. Change size by. These blocks allow you to control the size of your sprites. Set size to allows you to set the size of your sprite to a specific percentage. For example, if you set it to 50%, your sprite will be half its original size. Change size by lets you change the size of your sprite by a certain percentage. You can make it grow or shrink. Time to change costumes. Let's see how it's done. Next costume. Use the Next Costume block to switch between different appearances of a sprite. This is great for creating animations or expressing emotions. It switches your sprite to its next costume in the costume list. If you have multiple costumes for a sprite, you can use this to animate it. Now let's change the color. Watch this. Set color. This block controls how see-through your sprite is. It adds a color effect to a sprite, like color or brightness. For example, when we set the color effect to 0, nothing changed. If we set color effect to 50, look, we have a green cat. Change color effect by is similar to set color to. This block allows you to change the color by a certain amount. Clear color effects remove any color effects from a sprite. To add more life to the animation, Scratch incorporated say and think blocks. Say and say message. 4 seconds make your sprite say a message for a specified amount of time. Think, make a sprite think a thought. Similar to say and say, message, 4 seconds. The say and think blocks are like magic bubbles that pop up with text above your sprites. They're perfect for adding awesome dialogue or cool information to your projects. These tools are super helpful for making digital stories that are totally engaging and fun. Show block. Hide block. Want your sprite to pop into view? Use the show block. And if you want it to disappear, give the hide block a try. These blocks are like magic for making your sprites appear and vanish. Ready to turn your Scratch projects into something truly awesome. Let's dive into the world of Looks blocks. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to use these blocks to create a super cool swimming fish animation. Get ready to have some fun. Step 1. Create a new Scratch project. Step 2. Designing the stage. Choose a backdrop. Click on the Backdrops tab and select the backdrop that you like. For this tutorial, let's choose a Underwater one backdrop. Step 3. Add a sprite. Click the Choose a Sprite button and select a fish. Step 4. Create a costume. Click the Costumes tab and click the New Costume button. Draw or import a second fish with a different color or size. Step 5. Add a control block. Drag a forever block from the control category and drop it into the scripting area. Step 6. Add a looks block. Drag a next costume block from the looks category and place it inside the forever block. The forever block will repeat the code inside it indefinitely. The next costume block will switch the sprite's costume to the second one, creating a bouncing effect. Step 7. Add a motion block. Drag a bounce off edge block from the motion category and place it inside the forever block. The bounce off edge block will make the sprite bounce off the edges of the stage. Step 8. Add a motion block. Drag a glide 2 seconds to random position block from the motion category and place it inside the forever block. The block will make the sprite glide to random position, creating the bouncing motion. Let's make this happen. Click the green flag to watch the fish swim around the stage, changing its appearance each time it bounces off the edges. Want to make it even cooler? Combine different looks blocks to create crazy effects. Get creative and have fun. That's a wrap on our Scratch Looks Blocks tutorial. We've had a blast exploring how these blocks can transform your sprites and bring your stories to life. Remember, the key is to experiment and have fun. In this tutorial, we've learned how to use Scratch Looks blocks to change the appearance of our sprites. We've covered things like changing costumes, hiding and showing sprites, and even adding effects. Now it's time to unleash your creativity. Try building your own projects using Looks blocks. The possibilities are endless. If you keep trying, you might even become a Scratch coding superstar. Join our digital storytelling course and dive deeper into Scratch coding. With tons of exciting projects, you'll have the chance to master Scratch and create amazing animations and games. Let's have fun together.